Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in front of us we have the 2022 KIA K5 GT-Line. Make sure you guys check out the full detailed review down in the description, going over all of the specs in detail and getting this out on the road. Today's video is the silent style, so the ASMR. We're gonna do a walk around and get this out on the road. I hope you guys enjoy, give it a thumbs up, and consider smashing that subscribe button. You can tell a huge difference between driving modes. So if I put it into smart, the throttle control is barely there, or the throttle input I should say. Going into sport mode, you get all of that throttle response. So it's nice that you have a few different driving modes. If you want to be a little bit more sporty or save on your MPG, you can toggle between these just depending on what you like to use. We also have the steering assist, which I currently activated, and you can see with my hands barely touching the wheel, it's going left and right here just to keep us centered in the lane. I think that's a really cool option. Obviously, you need to be aware and have your hands on the steering wheel here, but you can see it turning slightly as we come around this right. So again, I'm not turning the wheel. Very cool to see that. Definitely a great option combined with the full adaptive cruise. And this handles very well for the quick twisties I can throw at it in today's video. So I currently have the cruise control set at the farthest setting right now. So that way, as traffic in front of me is slowing down, the vehicle can pick it up sooner. And that way you can see with my foot, not even touching the brake, we will come to a complete stop. And then as traffic starts to move again, it will start picking up speed here all the way to your set cruise. I have it set at the speed limit, which is 45 miles an hour. It's a very nice system, especially if you're in stop and go traffic or heavy traffic like this. You don't have to monitor the brake or the gas, which is great. But that is going to wrap up today's video with this 2022 Kia K5 GT-Line. Again, if you want to see more detailed specs on this model, check out that video down in the description. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on our daily uploads. I'll see you guys in the next video.